Managing the print screen key behavior in Windows 10 is straightforward. Depending on what you need, you can either toggle the shortcut that opens screen sniping or disable the keys functions entirely. By default, pressing print screen captures the whole screen to your clipboard. You can change this so it automatically opens the snapping tool instead. So open the startup menu and click the settings icon and click on the ease of access, and on the left side scroll down and select the keyboard, and now scroll down on the right side until you find the print screen shortcuts section, and now you can make it turn off or you can toggle it to turn it on. When you turn it off, here's the print screen, and here you can see once you press the print screen you are not able to take the screenshot, and when you click on the print screen button you can take the screenshot of any part of the screen and copy to the clipboard. And that's all for the today. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.